In a survey, 40 people were asked how many times per year they had their car in the shop for repairs. The results are shown in this table. We want to construct a line graph. So in StatCrunch, we go ahead and create our two columns. We have the number of times in the shop and then the frequency. Very small data set here. Would certainly work with bigger data sets. Process will be the same. We're going to go to Graph, Chart, and Column. Okay, this part here is not maybe as intuitive. We're going to select the frequency. And then for the row labels, we want to select number of times in shop. And then for the plot, we're going to select either connected lines or points with connected lines. We'll do points with connected lines for this one. And press Compute. So this is a line plot for this, but there's something about it I'm not crazy about. And that is we have a broken y-axis here, right? We notice here that 8 to 10 is 2, but then from this, it appears 0 to 8 is the same distance. So I'm going to click on this button here and go to y-axis. I need to edit my y-axis and make that minimum 0. Okay, that looks better. So while line graphs don't have to have a 0 axis for x and y, unless it really distorts the graph, I often will do that.